Hi everybody, this is Sam Hunter at Hunter's Design Studio, and this is a quick and short what do you need to know about this quilt video. This pattern is brand new. It's Boo Gnome. This is a Halloween gnome, and it is a cousin to the Christmas holiday gnome I designed known as Noel. What do you need to know about this quilt? It's really fast and easy. It is fusible appliqué, although you're welcome to use any other appliqué method that you might like. It's about 7 inches across by about 35 inches long, and it goes together pretty much just like that. There are 1 or 2 small bits around the little spider guy right here, and it's really easy to do those with a fabric safe pen or a little bit of embroidery. Or if you are skilled at doing free motion machine embroidery, you'll be able to get in there and draw your legs as needed. It's super fast and simple. I usually don't top stitch my edges in this quilt. I just do some dense quilting. This particular quilt was made by a really good friend of mine to help me out. And she did some beautiful top stitching, a blanket stitching, and all of that on her machine. But she's a snazzy machine girl. Anyway, I hope you have fun with this pattern. The pattern's in the shop at Hunter's Design Studio. And if you have any questions, leave them for us in the comments here on YouTube. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.